taking a ride today to find Blood Mountain.
Roll that intro.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.
Those of you new to the channel, welcome. Anonymous Biker USA. Hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up. Stay tuned for motorcycle adventures, reviews, rides, content, moto history, and moto news.
Look out across the water. I smell the salt and feel the breeze.
Look at that big rocking chair.
But in my heart,
We're in Hall County, Georgia.
Of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise.
So we just climbed down here. Just check this stream out. So let's just climb back up. The moss on these too, super slick. And there you have it. The Scout awaits.
We're definitely starting to get up into some elevation. This mountain's right there. Not sure if that's the destination or not. Just stopped here to change the GoPro battery. There's always a church parking lot that's gotta watch that with the tires. It's a lot of glass. This is the middle of nowhere. Antioch Church Road. Hill blocks view. Wonder if this be a good place for the drone. So that was some pretty epic drone shots. You see where I'm located in the middle of all these mountains on this dead end road. So let's go find this Blood Mountain. That road we just climbed was Blood Mountain, elevation 4,458 feet, Chattahoochee National Forest. So look this up. That is an awesome road. Pretty amazing. So this guy just rode his pedal bike up 4,458 feet. Pretty awesome. Chattahoochee National Forest. Picnic tables. Yeah, you got all kind of stickers here. Alrighty, well, if I do say so myself, let's put one up there. There's a lot of bikes and sport cars and everything else that come ripping up these roads. Porsche, BMWs, M3s. Got another guy on a bike rolling through. He's all geared up with his leathers. If you guys make it to the state of Georgia, Blood Mountain Ride is pretty amazing. Just pulled over on the side here. Got my jacket, got everything, got my gear. And there are so many people just ripping around this corner, heading down. What a road.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget,
I am Anonymous Biker USA.